In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a quote on Xero. Running a business efficiently often means keeping on top of your paperwork and ensuring that communication with your clients remains smooth and professional. That's where Xero comes in handy, especially when you need to send a quote to a client quickly. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your quote reaches its destination without a hitch. First things first, you'll want to navigate your way to the business section of Xero. This is your gateway to accessing various business-related tools and resources, including the quotes section. You can find the business section right at the top of your dashboard. It's intuitively placed so that you won't miss it as you log in. Once you're in the business area, your next stop is the quotes section. This is where all your draft, sent, and accepted quotes live. It's quite a handy way to keep track of what quotes you've worked on and which ones you need to follow up on. Clicking on quotes will bring you to a list of all the quotes you've created. Now it's time to find the specific quote you wish to send. This step is seamless. Simply click on your chosen quote from the list that appears. Xero is designed to make navigation easy, so finding your quote should be straightforward. If you have many quotes, you can use the search and filter functions to narrow down your list, making it quicker to find the one you need. With your quote pulled up, look for the send button. You'll notice there's a little arrow beside it. This is important because it indicates more options. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu that gives you a bit more control over how you send your quote. You're almost there. Now it's time to actually send the quote. So go ahead and click the send button. This step is where the magic happens. It's the bridge between you preparing the quote and your client receiving it. Before you actually dispatch your quote into the digital ether, Xero gives you a moment to pause and confirm the email recipient. This is crucial because the last thing you want to do is send an important quote to the wrong email address. Take a moment to ensure the email is correct. Sometimes a simple typo is all it takes to send your well-crafted quote into a void. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. And finally, with everything checked and double-checked, it's time to click on Send for the last time. This sends your quote on its journey to your client's inbox, where they can review and hopefully accept it. But before we wrap up, let's touch on a couple of additional tips to ensure you're making the most out of your Xero experience when sending quotes. Make sure the details of your quote are accurate and complete. This may seem obvious, but a once-over before you send can catch mistakes you might have overlooked initially. Also, consider adding a personalized message to your email before sending it. A little personalization can go a long way in maintaining a strong client relationship. Another vital aspect is to regularly check the status of your sent quotes. Xero makes it easy to see which quotes have been viewed, accepted, or need to be followed up on. Staying proactive in this regard ensures that no potential job slips through the cracks. Lastly, if you're finding yourself sending similar quotes repeatedly, Xero allows you to duplicate existing quotes and modify them as needed. This can save you a considerable amount of time and ensure consistency across your documents. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sending a quote on Xero from start to finish. The process is designed to be quick, efficient, and secure, allowing you to maintain professionalism and accuracy in your business dealings. By following these steps, you can ensure that your quotes reach your clients without delay, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to streamline your business operations with ease.